hook up the coupler mic and get it 1 to 2 millimeters away from the reference mic. Close the test box, hit test, go on to test box measurements, calibration, calibrate. There we go.
All right, to calibrate the probe mic, we want to put this yellow piece into the center, and then we want to make sure that the tip is in line with the reference mic. And then you want to click test, go to on-ear measures, calibration. So then we're going to make sure that the probe mic is 6 to 36 inches away from the speaker, and then we're going to click calibrate. Go.
Okay. Make sure the BTE coupler is attached to the coupler mic, and then make sure the RECD transducer is attached to this slot called transducer, and then you want to make sure to connect it to the end of the BTE coupler, and then you're gonna close up the test box. You're gonna hit test. You're gonna hit on-ear measures. You're gonna hit RECD, and then you're gonna have to make sure foam tip is selected. Hit continue. And then we're gonna hit calibrate RECD transducer. And continue. And there you go.
We'll need to make sure the reference mic is outside, facing outside, and we want to make sure that it's flush right under the earlobe. We're going to place the probe tube into the ear canal, and we want to make sure it's 2 to 5 millimeters away from the eardrum. Then we're going to take an insert foam tip and place it on the RECD jack and place that on top of the probe tube into the ear canal. So now we're going to go back to our Verifit 1 and select measure real ear. And then this is just telling us what we just did. So we're going to click continue. We're going to click continue. The green line represents the coupler measure, the pink line represents the real ear measure, and then the dotted and blue line is the average.
Okay, for speech map, we're gonna calibrate the reference mic of the test box and the probe again, and then we're gonna hit test. We're gonna go to on-ear measures, hit speech map. Then we're gonna hit continue, go to audiometry. Pick any NAL NL2 for the targets. Age is an adult. Transducer is an insert plus foam. Bone conduction should be entered. RECD should be measured. And since we're using a foam tip, RCD coupling is a foam tip. Binaural is no, since we're only using one ear. And then we're gonna hit continue. And then we're gonna go 40 across the board. For the purpose of this assignment, it's already done over here. And then of course we're gonna put in our bone conduction thresholds. Hit continue.
All right, so now we're gonna measure soft, medium, and loud sounds as well as MPO.
A carrot is a long reddish-yellow vegetable. A carrot is a long reddish-yellow vegetable which has several thin leaves on a long stem and which belongs to the parsley family. Carrots are grown all over the world in gardens and in the wild in the fields.
So then we're gonna do the same thing for 2, which is medium, and then the same thing for 3, which is loud sounds. And then for 4, we're gonna do MPO. So we're gonna click on it, and then under stimulus, we're gonna go up, click MPO, and then continue.